How to install Loom Chrome Extension. Installing Loom Chrome Extension is pretty straightforward. So open up your Chrome browser and then visit your Chrome Web Store extension. So click on the three dots here on your top right and then go to click on extension and then select visit Chrome Web Store. So when you get to Web Store here, so what we're going to do, you're going to search for Loom in the search box here. Click for Loom and then you will see this Loom extension, Loom Screen Recorder and Screen Capture extension. Click on it. So click on it and then now what you're going to do, hit on this add to Chrome and it will start the installation. So click on add to Chrome and then you're going to confirm the installation. So hit on add extension and then once that's done, then it will be installed. Extension will be installed on your browser. So for example here, that's it. So Loom has been installed on your browser. So now what you can do, you can simply sign in to your Loom account if you have an existing account, or you can just create one on Loom. So and once that's done, that's it, you're all set and you can now use Loom to record your videos, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.